Hey, what's up, guys? I just want to say a big thank you. I want to give a big shout out to all my supporters out there. You are the people that make stuff like this happen. This is one of our current trips out to the village we help to sponsor. We provide free education. We always provide a hot meal. And we also bring food for when we can't get out there, to make sure they have enough to eat. This is only possible because of you. This has nothing to do with me, it has everything to do with you, and I truly appreciate it. If you haven't supported yet and you want to, feel free to go to any of the links you see on your screen. There are also clickable links down below. And if you do any of those things, go to any of these links, you'll receive exclusive videos from me, exclusive pictures, updates. I'll even send you a copy of my book as a way to say thank you. It's only because of you that this is possible. Thank you very much and enjoy the video. Come on, buddy, get it. There you go, buddy. There you go, buddy. Come on. Get it. There you go. There you go. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. What's up, guys? Hey, buddy. Can't go with us. Sorry, dog. He's probably going to follow us anyway. They have a habit of doing that. We were going to go for a walk earlier, but we decided to hello. There's my nice landlady.
Bye-bye.
That's my landlady right there. Anyway, we were going to leave earlier, but it was so hot out today. There was no clouds, no rain, just nothing but sun. And according to my weather app, it was 95 degrees Fahrenheit, but felt like it was 105 Fahrenheit. And I could feel that just standing on my balcony. It's definitely warm. My new apartment doesn't have an awning like my old one did. So all the elements, like the sun, comes right in on the balcony. And it's like stepping on hot sand. I have to learn to put on my flip-flops or a pair of socks. Can't stand out there like that. But luckily we only get like the late afternoon sun on that side of our apartment. So for 3 or 4 hours it'll be really, really hot, and then it cools down pretty fast. Oh, this way, okay. But now, as you can see, as is usually the case, it is cloudy, overcast. Looks like it's about to rain, of course. If the heat doesn't get you, the rain will during this time of year. But hopefully we can get to where we need to go and get back before that happens. We got some nice looking durian here. And yes, you can smell it.
I am going to try it one day, but I just don't see the point in paying that much for a fruit that smells like that. I can't imagine what the first person that ate durian was thinking. It has a smell, a really strong odor and stench, and somebody decided at one point there had to have been the first person to eat it, and they decided that is the smell I want to put in my mouth. And it didn't kill them, so now everybody eats it. That person is either a lunatic or a hero, depending on what you think of it. Yeah, but that wind's starting to pick up. It feels really nice though. It feels pretty good. And of course, thing lies back there. She got her vitamin water. Seems to like that. I haven't tasted it. I just like my water to be water flavored. I don't want it to taste like fruit. I don't want it to taste like anything except the water. Yeah, there is a rumor going around. There was an article in a couple Khmer newspapers that the Ministry of Education is going to be calling for schools to stay closed until at least the end of the year. That seems to be the general consensus of what's going to happen, although this is not officially from the Ministry of Education right now. And some people think they're just throwing that information out there to get a response from the public to see if that's a good idea or not before officially announcing it. Someone has also said that they are talking about strictly Khmer schools. There are some international schools, the ones that hire the English teachers, that are in talks right now, apparently, with the Ministry of Education to decide on a date that they can open. So I'll keep you updated on that as much as I can. Like I said, it's not set in stone. And it could just be for the Khmer schools, not the international schools. But that's the latest rumors coming out of that situation. They did reopen the border with Vietnam recently, so you can travel there if you want. That's a good thing. More borders opening means more travel. Some of the people that live here, some of the foreigners, the expats. Oh, what are you looking at? Oh, she's looking at clothes. But some of the expats are really concerned about their visa extension situation when they run up and all the borders are closed. Plus having to have $3,000 extra when they come back in. So yeah, things are getting a little hairy with that. Hello. Hello, how are you? Hello. Hello.
Hello.
I have a feeling we're just barely going to make it before it starts raining. That sky is starting to get very ominous looking. Here's a place here on the corner. If you ladies are interested, you can get dresses for $2. Just $2. Look at that. $2 you can get a dress. How amazing is that? I love seeing these busy streets though. Everybody stopping at the bakery, getting some goods. Nice treats. All right, I will talk to you guys later.
Alright guys, be sure to check out all my links down below. If you want to donate through PayPal, if you want to join my Patreon, or buymeacoffee.com/DDC, which you don't even have to sign up for. All those donations are going for several humanitarian things here. We educate and teach English to kids for free that can't afford to go to school. We sponsor part of a village in the countryside. We go out there a couple times a week and feed them, and also bring them bags of rice and other things so they have something to eat throughout the week. And occasionally Sunlight will cook and we'll box it up, go out and pass it out to anybody that wants it. And it's only possible because of your donations. So be sure to check out those links. There's a lot of people vlogging in Cambodia. Those links are down below. Those are great channels. You should check them out. Links to all my social media are down below, as well as links to all my books, t-shirts, and everything else. It's all appreciated, and I want to say thank you to all my supporters. It really means a lot, and I will talk to you guys in the next one.